Welcome back. Joining us today, financial analyst Steve Budin. We are talking unemployment fraud. We know there's been some level of that across Nevada. Tell us what that means for the average Nevada resident.
Good morning. It's a pretty severe problem in the state that what's been going on is scamsters and fraudsters have been stealing people's identities and making fraudulent unemployment claims. And I know we've been doing a lot of reporting on this, but now the chickens come home to roost during tax season, because what could happen is some of our viewers might get a form, what's called 1099-G from the state of Nevada, that is an unemployment claims form. So it's going to say, Mrs. X, you received unemployment proceeds. Now you have to pay taxes on those, when in fact, that person did not receive those funds in the first place.
So this is the case of someone filing unemployment under the name of me or you.
Right.
Okay.
Right. So they take the money and then we have to pay the taxes.
That's not a great concept there. So what should we do to try to fix that?
A couple of things you can do. You can file, the IRS instructs folks, file the accurate return. Don't file your tax return with that erroneous amount. You could include a footnote on your tax return that explains that you've been the victim of unemployment fraud, and make an explanation. And then at some point, you'd want to get a corrected 1099-G from the state. So you'd have to ask the state unemployment office to send you a corrected form that basically says you've not received those benefits.
And you've mentioned your own company falling victim to some of that fraud.
Yeah, during the summer, I received a letter in the mail stating that I filed for unemployment benefits for my own company. And last I checked, I haven't fired myself yet.
All right. Please don't fire yourself, Steve.
Maybe deserved, but I won't do it.
Anything else you want to add here that you think we might be missing?
One thing that the viewers might want to consider doing is requesting what's called an identity protection PIN from the IRS. So when you file your tax return, you could apply this personal identification number, which is, again, just another level of protection. But I know I said this last week, and I'll say it again this week. I think of all tax seasons to seek professional help, I think this is the one. With all the fraud out there, with all the misunderstandings about how benefits work, and with all of the withdrawals from various retirement accounts that have gone on this year, it may behoove somebody to get some assistance with this tax season.
All right, that's all the time that we have for today. We'll post more of this on our website in the interview section on ktnv.com, and we'll be right back after this.